Some moments change everything. This was mine. She was barely leaving, alone, nearly.
You're safe now. Stop her.
I had no plan, only instinct.
You're gonna be okay. Just listening. You're so pretty, woman. It's awesome. You'll be okay. Hold on. You're safe now. Still. That's it. Good job.
That first drink, oh. I knew nothing about real lines. Turning back wasn't an option.
Oh, you're awake. I'm so glad. You got this. Still over. Yes, good job. You did it.
Every small victory felt monumental.
You're doing so well, woman. So strong. I'm that person softly. You're so lovely, aren't you? Good boy. Yes, good boy. He's so big, one playing. He's so cute. Days all sweet.
Days became weeks. She grew stronger. Bigger. Watching her discover the world, pure magic.
Did you know one? Have fun? Good job, you guys. You found the one. Oh, no, you're safe. Gotcha. More time. You're so strong. Keep playing. You did. Not fair. Not fair. Over there. Can I steal thunder? Not easy. You got it. Wow. Wow. That was incredible. Right, another way. Wow. You're so strong.
These moments, I tried to memorize everything.
Oh, God, girl. Thank you. I used to myself. Oh, God, thank you. Easy, girl. Calm down. Easy, girl.
She was my pet. She's my equal, my friend.
We need your legs, Come on, go. Ready, go. You got this.
She was teaching me now. The hardest decision was a real one.
I'll find my back, I promise. See you like this.
Tomorrow, everything changes.
This is it, girl. This is home. Come on, right here. Go home.
She knew this was her place.
Yes. Goodbye. Thank you for me. Have a beautiful day.
Letting go is love's final gift.
Luna, you're home. You're going home without you.
She found her family. Go home.
Oh my gosh, you did them. They're all there.
Her legacy lives on. Each other about true means.
Now, whatever we start here on this. Hold it like this and offer it slowly. That's an interesting. It takes moves like the process. What's supposed to do? Take the oh my gosh, here. And yourself. Oh, Luna. Oh, Luna. You're teaching them. Look at me.
She's the best survivor. She's fighting, creating life. The circle continues.
I'm gonna see this. Everything's worth it.
I saved her once and she saved me back every single day.
This story is deep. I'll make you guys. This story is a conversation creates relax. And another creates only more. No. During the beginning, I really like one so well. One more essence, so far, you're young, you that.
Home is fire now, but my heart is over.
So, Luna, you're in house. I'll be your meeting. I don't know what to do.
This is the legend, born in stone, raised in love, released into forever.